We've got an empty beach, an amazing skyline. We've got a red flag over there. A completely packed promenade, loads of people walking down there. And some high winds, which cause quite high waves as well, right here on the beach of the Levante Beach in Benidorm. So today we're going first of all towards the viewing point over there, Balcón del Mediterráneo. Then we're going to take a stroll down there through its old town, explore the area a bit, get some nice views in, and make sure we don't get any wet feet because the waves are coming pretty close right now. So temperature is around 18 degrees for today. That will happen around this afternoon, I believe around 4 p.m. Right now it's 1, so still quite early. And it feels very cold, but that's mainly because of the wind. The wind is literally freezing today, but the sun does make a lot up for it. Usually I don't take the route right here on the beach because you always get quite far in the sand with your shoes, but over here it's quite hard, the sand, so easy for a walk like you would usually do in summer, but then sometimes you would take a little bit of the ocean with it. Not gonna do that right now. Got Hotel Cimbel over there. Quite some people on the balconies enjoying the sun, the January sun. I love that in winter. Gotta head back towards the promenade. Bars are starting from right over here, and you can see it's much busier on the promenade. Bars as well doing really good right now. It's because the wind is less over here, a lot less. Not every bar is completely packed. Got a new Taco Bell at Levante Beach. Because the Manila bar is currently having its winter closure, don't know or they're refurbishing inside. But the Guinness bar is allowed to use their terrace. Really handy because a lot of people want to enjoy the sun right there on the beach. Those flooded areas by Storm Harry quickly drying up. Nothing to see anymore, folks. Aroma's bar. It is open, I think, yeah. But not the best situation underneath the scaffolding. In fact, they have fucked up the complete building. Better to do with an off-season then, right? This place on my left should be finished this year, but it doesn't look like it yet. It's still quite far to go. The only 5-star hotel in Benidorm is currently closed until further notice, the sign says, and that's it. For more info, you should call them. I think it's just a winter closure, but I would have put an ending date on it. Some amazing views right over here, and thankfully almost no seagulls as well. Usually it's covered with them in this place. And another plus point, the guy playing music over there, doing Spanish music. It's the atmosphere so much more. Usually we've got a Chinese guy playing at a tape.
Quiero que decretéis que reclaméis lo que es vuestro. Esta alarma os permite cumplir con esta frecuencia en que sois capaces de decretar lo que queráis. Recordad, decretar, reclamar.
It is quite windy out here.
Reclamar lo que es tuyo ya, todo lo que te falta, lo que es tuyo. Vale, decretar no.
Look at the color of the ocean in this corner. Must have been because all the wind is coming here.
Oh yeah.
These are for Saturday, the 24th. Hope you guys enjoyed the video for today. Don't forget to hit that like, to subscribe. Thank you.